Hawthorn, a shrub renowned for its heart health benefits, belongs to the Rosaceae family. Revered for centuries in traditional medicine, hawthorn's berries, leaves, and flowers are employed in various remedies. We will look into the comprehensive aspects of hawthorn, exploring its botanical family, growth habits, identification, edible uses, medicinal applications, and harvesting techniques. Other trees in its family. Hawthorn, Crataegus spp., is part of the Rosaceae family, which includes well-known trees and shrubs such as apple, Malus domestica, pear, pyrus, cherry, prunus, and rose, rosa. These plants are commonly recognized for their fruit-bearing capabilities and ornamental value. Growth and habitat. Hawthorn is native to temperate regions of Europe, Asia, and North America. It thrives in woodlands, hedgerows, and sunny locations with well-drained soils. The shrub prefers full sun to partial shade and can adapt to various soil types, making it a versatile addition to gardens and natural landscapes. Identification. Hawthorn shrubs are identified by their dense, thorny branches, white or pink flowers, and small red to black berries. The leaves are lobed and serrated, varying in shape and size across different species. In spring, the shrub blooms with clusters of fragrant flowers, followed by the development of berries in late summer to early autumn. Edible uses. The berries, leaves, and flowers of hawthorn are all edible. The berries can be eaten raw, made into jams, jellies, and wines, or dried for teas and tinctures. The leaves and flowers are often used in herbal teas and can be added to salads or cooked dishes. Medicinal uses. Please note, the information in this video is for educational purposes only. It is not meant to diagnose, treat, or cure any disease or ailment. I recommend discussing your health goals with a qualified healthcare provider who is also knowledgeable about complementary healthcare prior to trying anything new. Parts used. Medicinally, the berries, leaves, and flowers of hawthorn are utilized. These parts contain beneficial compounds like flavonoids, oligomeric procyanidins, OPCs, and various antioxidants that contribute to their health-promoting properties. Heart health and disease. Hawthorn is celebrated for its cardiovascular benefits. It enhances heart function, strengthens the heart muscle, and improves blood circulation. For heart disease, regular consumption of hawthorn can support overall heart health and resilience, angina pectoris, and irregular heart rhythm. Hawthorn helps alleviate angina pectoris, chest pain due to reduced blood flow to the heart, and stabilizes irregular heart rhythms. Its vasodilatory effect improves oxygen supply to the heart, reducing chest pain and preventing arrhythmias. Atherosclerosis and high blood pressure. Hawthorn's antioxidant properties help prevent the buildup of arterial plaque, a common cause of atherosclerosis. It also lowers blood pressure by relaxing blood vessels and enhancing blood flow. Cholesterol. Regular use of hawthorn can reduce bad cholesterol, LDL levels, and increase good cholesterol, HDL levels, promoting a healthier lipid profile and reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Health tonic and immune system. Hawthorn acts as a general health tonic, bolstering the immune system and providing essential nutrients that enhance overall well-being. Digestion and intestinal infections. Hawthorn aids digestion by stimulating gastric secretions and improving appetite. Its antimicrobial properties help combat intestinal infections and promote a healthy gut. Skin conditions and malaria. Topically, hawthorn can be used to treat skin conditions due to its anti-inflammatory and astringent properties. It has also been traditionally used to manage fevers, including those caused by malaria. Harvesting and when. Hawthorn berries are best harvested in late autumn when they are fully ripe and have a deep red or black color. Leaves and flowers should be collected in spring when they are fresh and vibrant. Ensure the plant is free from pesticides and pollutants. Warnings and side effects. While generally well tolerated, hawthorn can cause side effects in some individuals. Mild reactions include stomach upset, sweating, fatigue, nausea, dizziness, and agitation. More serious side effects may involve shortness of breath, allergic reactions, heart irregularities, and mood swings. It is crucial to consult a qualified healthcare professional, especially if you are on any medications. Once you have discussed hawthorn use with your healthcare professional, start with a small dose to check for adverse reactions before regular use. Hawthorn stands out as a potent herbal ally, particularly for cardiovascular health. Its diverse medicinal applications, from heart health to immune support, make it a valuable addition to natural medicine. As with any herbal remedy, professional guidance ensures safe and effective use, allowing you to harness the full benefits of this remarkable plant.